So guys, you have seen how we make this particular bag. A student of mine, he make this for the first time, making backpack for the first time. So how do you guys see it? Is it a little bit new? So probably she'll be making another one to just amend some error that is on the bag. Well, you see the way we start from the beginning, where she disassemble a damaged bag that she used as a pattern template to make this particular one. So I hope you guys enjoying this particular video. This is same bag made by me very long time ago. I think this is up to 5 or 6 years, and I've been using the bag personally, and it's still intact, but the material starts peeling off. As you can see, it has starts peeling off, but the material is still good because I've been using this for 5 years. Even if it's not every day, once in a while, but I use it. So this is where we'll be ending the video. The student is not around. I thought she would be around so I can ask her some question, or maybe probably if you are working on the weekly updates, probably you get to see the reply to the question I'll be asking her. So thank you guys for watching. Do give this video a giant thumbs up, and actually we do train as well. If you are close to Abuja, or you are in Abuja or Suleja, you can get in touch with us. We'll train you on how to make a professional bag. This is our first time, and you see the work she was able to pull off compared to the one I made myself. But by the time she make this for the second time, the third time, she will be very good at it. So that's it. As I said, training are available on different kind of bags, starting from handbag to traveling bag, backpack. A lot of bag we make on the channel. So our online training is also available. You can get in touch with us from the link. Our WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching. As I've said earlier, consider subscribing to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Leave in the comment section down below what you think for this particular video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.